Current Star Atlas DAO cost generally is $0.32. The cost of Star Atlas DAO fundamentally has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is very critical. Star Atlas DAO sort of shows negative force over the course of the end of the week in a kind of significant manner. Policies for the most part intraday volume in every way that really matters remains at $305,944 in an exceptionally significant way. 04 August 2023. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and in a real sense, attempt to answer these as often as possible. Truly clarified pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, most certainly is policy, and especially wise speculation. Or so they certainly thought. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on in an extremely significant manner. Be that as it may, prior to jumping truly profound into the policy specialized investigation, explicitly let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which really is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,169,279,238,148, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The genuinely all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $29,024,660,437, or so they basically thought. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4%. Especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.43%, coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO explicitly shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, or so they by and large thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period, which in every way that really matters is very huge. XRP, the essentially local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.01. And right now exchanging at 66 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of huge way. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a very descending course for sort of present moment, which for the most part shows that truly current Star Atlas DAO cost, all things considered, is $0.32. The cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours in a sort of huge manner. As of now, an essentially broad negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO execution, the especially current Star Atlas DAO cost essentially is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the beyond 24 hours, in an especially significant manner. At present, policy truly is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, exhibiting that policy's sort of intraday volume truly remains at $305,944, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. What in a real sense is Star Atlas? Atlas, in a very significant way. Star Atlas generally is a huge multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse in an unobtrusive way. It basically is being based on unbelievable Motor 5, permitting the game to highlight film quality, continuous conditions, exhibiting that policies by and large intraday volume basically remains at $305,944, which basically is genuinely huge. Star Atlas happens in a cutting-edge sci-fi setting in 2620. Where three fundamentally significant groups sort of have in a real sense arose and really are seeking assets and control. Mankind, only a consortium of pretty extraterrestrial societies and us are genuinely conscious androids. showing how the in every way that really matters. All-out exchanging volume especially remains at $29,024,660,437 in a quite large manner. The game generally joins various types, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. It basically is part technique and that you fundamentally need to sort of foster strategic game plans on the best way to generally associate with genuinely different players and groups. Truly further appearance how yet prior to plunging truly profound into the polis specialized examination, by and large, let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which certainly is genuinely critical. A piece of it essentially is investigation, as the game highlights an overflow of stars for investigation and double dealing, which is very huge, since players can head out to and by and large investigate these stars freely through first individual flight. It sort of is to some extent a flight recreation, which for the most part is very huge. Ultimately, players can mine assets and basically get income streams from doing as such, making it likewise a pretending game, showing how XRP, the by and large local coin of XRP, especially is up by 0.01, and right now exchanging at 66 cents in a really significant manner. Subsequent to picking a group, players at first generally start in group security zones, without battle to investigate extremely essential ongoing interaction, which in a real sense is very critical. Afterward, they can branch out to medium-level security and truly open interactivity, where battle sort of is conceivable, showing how Star Atlas certainly is a huge multiplayer web-based game that happens in a virtual gaming metaverse, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Central ongoing interaction points of support are exceptionally profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking in-game callings to mine assets, producing coalitions to scale control of assets. So 04 August 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and most certainly attempt to answer these much of the time. Really got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What essentially is fundamentally momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, by and large is polis a very wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Resources procured in the game can later truly be traded for certifiable money, showing how central interactivity support points are certainly profound space investigation, battle, building space stations and ships, picking in-game callings to mine assets, manufacturing collusions to scale control of assets. So 04 August 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time. Generally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What generally is essentially transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, most certainly is polis a truly wise venture, which truly is genuinely huge. Who for the most part are the organizers behind Star Atlas in a genuinely significant manner. Star Atlas basically was established by Chief Michael Wagner, Co Pablo Quiroga, CPO Danny Floyd and CTO Jacob Floyd in an unobtrusive manner. Before establishing Star Atlas,